Capacity, abilities.
Pwede dugay naman sila sa Senate. I think that we can talk more of their qualification rather than their disqualification.
So, walang problema sa qualification.
Wala problema. Mayon na lang ito. Pili mo kang Bongbong o kang Cayetano. Ano na lang. Pareho sila, maayong laki, puro bright. Kanilang siya, yung pangalan Marcos, kanilang usa, yung apelido Cayetano.
Okay. Mayor, in the past, ang Vice President is always parang ano lang siya, parang wala masyadong
reserva lang.
Wala siyang specific duties and functions na talagang kanya lang other than supporting the President.
Yes.
Also sa tanong mo, ang dapat qualifications ng Vice President for that position?
Well, you need not be a lawyer, that's why. That would be a very silly thing to suggest. Both are educated actually, and I think both are smart guys. They have the capacity to lead an organization or a country. And third is their fortitude. They both have the same traits. Fortitude.
Okay, so both practically applied to you as your Vice President if you decide to run.
Apply sila sa ako?
Murag, kung wala pa kayo i-consider or wala pa kayo kung Vice President, they would want to run with you as your Vice President.
Yes.
The irony of it is, naapay duha ka presidential ball nga wala pa'y Vice President na running mate. Did you suggest to them, now, why not go to this presidential ball na ito since as you said, you are not running?
It would be a bad taste on my part to say that.
Okay.
Hindi nga, ikaw lang ang pinupuntahan namin dito, itapon mo kami doon. Wala mo na sila. And that would be the natural reaction. Maybe they would not verbalize it, but you can read the demand, and they would be saying, kaya nga ako pumunta rito sa iyo, tapos itapon mo ako sa iba. So, I never suggested anybody dyan sa whether Po or Binay or Rojas.
Okay. So, parang in-entertain mo lang talaga yung their visit to you. Unsa kadugay ang inyong meeting, Mayor?
Dugay.
Okay.
Almost 2 hours ka each.
And then both of them went home empty-handed, so to speak.
Wa man kayo na nga online pamahaw. Dugay mo nga to. But empty-handed in the sense that they were not able to realize the purpose for which they came for. One, they should have tried to ascertain whether I'm running or not. The first requirement. And the second thing is that if there is no commitment in the vice presidential position, maganda tayo unahon mo. Mudagan ba ni? Pag mudagan ni naana ba ni gipili?
So, sa tanong ni mo, they did not do the research.
I think they did, but ang ilang pagtuo